Experiment number 5. Experimental determination of molar volume of a gas. Objectives: to develop skills required to collect and measure volume of gases in the laboratory. To calculate volume of 1 mole of oxygen gas under laboratory conditions. Standard molar volume of a gas is the volume of 1 mole of a gas at standard temperature and pressure. Molar volume of a gas varies with temperature and pressure. Oxygen gas can be produced for the experiment using the given equation. The pressure of the dry oxygen gas is calculated using Dalton's law of partial pressures. Then we can use combined gas law to find the volume of oxygen gas at standard temperature and pressure. Once volume of oxygen at standard temperature and pressure is calculated, molar volume of oxygen can be calculated based on moles of oxygen gas produced. These are the chemicals and equipments needed for the experiment. Electronic scale, measuring cylinder, beaker, clamp, stand, boiling tube with cork, delivery tube, rubber tube, Bunsen burner, barometer, thermometer, cotton wool, potassium permanganate. Transfer 5 grams of dry potassium permanganate into a dry boiling tube. Then insert a cotton wool plug closer to the top of the boiling tube. Measure the weight of the tube with potassium permanganate and the cotton plug. Set up the apparatus as shown here and gently heat the boiling tube. Continue heating until amount of water displaced due to oxygen gas is about 350 milliliters to 400 milliliters. Then allow the boiling tube to cool down to room temperature. When the water levels of the two containers are the same, measure the volume of the measuring cylinder. Record the room temperature and pressure using the thermometer and the barometer. Measure the total weight of boiling tube and its content again. Let's look at the observations and conclusions. When potassium permanganate was heated, a colorless gas was collected in the measuring cylinder. As shown here, weight of the boiling tube and its content before heating was 33.66 grams. Weight of the boiling tube and its content after heating was 33.08 grams. Volume of water displaced was 472 cubic centimeters. Temperature was 30 Celsius and the pressure was 760 millimeters of mercury. We can calculate the pressure of dry oxygen by subtracting the vapor pressure of water from the total pressure. We can use the table provided to find the vapor pressure of water as a function of temperature. Then use the combined gas equation to calculate the volume of oxygen gas at standard temperature and pressure. After finding the amount of moles of oxygen gas produced, divide the volume of oxygen gas at standard temperature and pressure by the moles of oxygen as shown here.